Hey everyone, me Angie Ravenel here. Remember I did this pot? I showed you guys this plant pot on my last video and you guys wanted me to show you how I created this custom designed pot. So today that's exactly what I'm going to do for you all. You will need a couple of things. You're going to need a container for water. And it doesn't have to be a super large container, but enough of a container so you could utilize it for whatever object you decide to paint, if that makes sense. But I will show you exactly what I'm talking about. You're also going to need some paint cans or just paint that's already in a can where you can pour it. You'll see that I'll be using paint cans. Here I am showing you, you're also going to need a piece of cardboard. Here is the pot that we're going to be painting today. But first things first, if you haven't subscribed, please do so and like this video. If you like anything about it so far, I am going to show you a great technique. You're going to love it. So go ahead and hit like and be sure to sign into your YouTube account so you can like or subscribe to this video. All right, let's move on. As you can see, it's a really nice pot. I really like it, but I am going to jazz it up. I'm going to make it even better. A couple of things. You might want to wear gloves while doing this. I didn't do it. I'm just used to getting paint all over me. And you also want to shake your cans. Whatever choice of color you want on your pot or object or frame, whatever you decide to do this technique on, be sure to shake your cans. Okay, now you're going to spray the paint in the water in the order that you want the design. So right now I chose navy blue, a different color of blue, and a little bit of gold. So I went heavy with the navy blue, and then that's the other blue color that I decided. And then I put a little bit of gold there in the middle. Notice I'm not spraying too close or too far away from the water. Okay, next you're going to submerge your pot into the water. The height of the water should be where you want your design to end. Hold it there. Okay, so you see that excess paint around the sides of the pot. That's when you're going to use your cardboard to push the paint away from the pot and pull it out. If you don't use the cardboard, you just have more paint on the pot. So it's not really a wrong way of doing this. Okay, so now I decided I want to do the top as well. So I just did the process over again, a little bit of gold, a little bit of blue, and then I dipped it again. Notice here that I am rolling it into the paint that's in the water and not submerging it, which gave it a totally different look from the first look. All right, even as a bonus, I did another one for you guys doing the rolling technique. And this one was with the blue and copper. All right, I just want to dress it up a little bit and then I'm going to show it to you guys. One thing I do want to say that I am not a professional. This is not professionally done. It's just something I do for fun. It's actually called hydro dipping, and people really do this professionally on all types of objects, and it's amazing how they go about doing this. But for me, I'm just doing the basic, but it's really giving me the look that I like. It's very abstract and I like that look. So let's reveal the final look. I absolutely love these designs, these new pots, and I hope you like it too. If you like anything about this video, please like it and also subscribe. Be true to you and have a good one or two.